Container America 42. Energy exports growing 70% from USA to Europe. Now, tendency is that also the local commerce in the Pacific, Caribbean, Atlantic will also grow. Yeah, first we fuel the fleet and the energy, and then the rest is the container ships. Why? Because really is like 1 and 1 equals 2. Therefore, the market and the trade in America for local crew could grow if ship owners start to think different. Why? Because we have Panama. Panama has about 14,000 officers. Active, let's say 4,000, but the school is growing with new refreshment cadets every year. We also have Peru, but Peru has a limitation of the number of officers. It seems that America has not invested in the maritime schools today. But if we did grow from the 40,000 American officers towards 400,000, of course, all of them could get the job. And responsible environmental, social governance, why ESG? Because ships will trade around Panama Canal. What number of fleets worldwide of containers don't go around Panama Canal? Or if not, Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Ecuador, Colombia, Peru, Uruguay. Many car carriers go to Uruguay as the door towards America. Then we have the Caribbean islands growing so much. Why? Because tax is very simple. And this situation will be ongoing. Think about also Venezuelans. Some get US visa. And also some Spanish companies have Cubans, 2,500 officers. Yes, they have the handicap of the USA visa. But if the trade is Caribbean or Pacific or Atlantic and not required the container feeder or whatever trade to have US visa, just trading with Europe, for example, Panama to Europe, why not? Think about it. Many owners paying about 6,000 for a second engineer, but the market of a second engineer on board the container ship starts at 7,500. So we do have a gap. We need to train them into English, but this is going to be a long-term solution to retain your talent with ESG. Is that interesting today to do, or you want to be the last one in the queue? Thank you. Bye, ship owner.